Look at me. I'm on the train. I'm going to take the train to New York if the airplane doesn't come soon. Don't I look cute? You like my hat, Matthew?
Excuse me, sir. Do you have a ticket?
No. Do I need one?
I think so.
Hold on, Harry. I'll get your ticket. How much are they?
For you, $5.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
Harry's going on the train to see Matthew. Are you happy, Harry? You're going on the train. Next stop, Matthew's house.
Are we almost there now?
I don't know.
I don't know, Harry.
You want to stop and get a drink of water?
No, I want to get to Matthew's.
Well, honey, you're not going for 2 weeks. This is just a toy train. Didn't you know that? It's not a real train. It's